Please go call that car. Yeah, God. Hello? Hey, let me call you back. 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 Hey, you mean there?
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A Kino, can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them not like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
Oh, that Prince.
Yeah.
Prince there himself.
Yeah.
Oh, go on. You said I want to still there.
What are you saying right now?
I don't like that you are hiding a dog.
Everything go, man. Everything go, though. How do you feel? You just need some food.
Yeah, man, just need some food and things, man. You see me?
Sure.
So there I go and pay one price, you know what I mean?
So I go on, Prince.
Right there, Kino.
School mate, you know.
Yeah, man.
Prince, I didn't see how that all about, though.
Yeah, man, clean the house for me and things, man, and straighten up at time, you see it?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, man, I tell the name Prince. Real
Yeah.
you to me, you know what I mean?
Sure, see the man and people.
Yeah, man, I meet clean up the house, man, and them things, man.
Yeah.
Catch water for you, man, and go shop for you, man,
Then put thing there.
Yeah.
Yeah. Cool, man.
Yeah.
Pick up yourself, man, Prince, man. A long time, Prince are good, but still.
Yeah, man.
Ah, yes,
That time, man, you see it?
I work with nurse problem and thing, you know?
Yeah, nurse problem.
Yeah, man, kind of sick because so one time shit.
Can't see it, man.
And you eat a lot of them, you don't want the food.
What time I eat?
Yeah,
What kind of food? You have a stick side and then.
Sometimes I stay around me, I can't keep, because more time come
Yeah, you have a stay around GinGin then.
Yeah,
Because you have a youth, you know.
Yeah.
You see, you know, because you tell me that now food.
Mas them I could take more time trying to get. You see,
Okay.
Sleep, man. You have a
Then you're sick and put him there. Some can sing kind of shake.
Yeah, man, nobody there have the food now cook again like when we there and keep up. Them thing that down with, you know?
Yeah. So how long do you stay like this?
You know, so from a couple years ago now, brother, almost like about 6 or 7 years,
Yeah.
you start get sick. You put too much things, more time think about things you don't want. You can't get it. Because many of them reasons I'm sure everything.
Yeah, not nobody to give no food.
Yeah, and
So
them
I think
put all food and clothes and certain things that I want and have it. And I want him to talk to him to make his mind calm back, you know? Yeah, and reason him, because more time he want that still, you see?
Yeah,
If somebody can talk to him and reason him, you know what I mean? Yeah, man, so when there are more time, man, him alright, man, you see?
Yeah, for real.
He's 260 kind of thing. I'm getting him injection like every month.
Okay.
They come give him injection, so.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. What do you want?
No. Prince, it's going on with the face here, man. Everything alright.
Yeah.
But it's curable still. It can get better though.
Yeah,
Yeah, how am I get treatment?
The injection.
Yeah,
Injection.
but for a man, they're on him like no friend. So the only friend I have about GinGin.
I mean, I'm going to come on at times, we're going to bother him walk out. So
the body don't cook, because how we left him.
Yeah.
So we used to around them youth.
Yeah, true.
So if the youth and nobody will cook, we'll give him food.
True. So the more them there around, the better.
I mean, get some food, I'm sure that me and him have to cook some food and get some food. Yeah, man. Not left him out, man, but once me have anything to eat, I know him ever for us.
Yeah.
So not make him get something, you see?
Help him out.
Yeah, man.
True. Well, everything is alright, said by the Almighty.
Yeah, man.
I'll fight it, man.
Yeah, most likely, definitely, everything will be alright.
Yeah.
Yes, GinGin. So you know, so we want to look and buy some material for you today.
Yeah, man.
Let me put in there.
For real, brother, cause you don't know him do that time, so they go forward come match it up, so. Yeah, I'm not looking forward to soon, man.
Yeah, man, we'll buy some material today.
Yeah.
Hold on there. GinGin, so what we're going to do, we're going to deal with some material, but we have one donation. We have 2 donations for you. And which is tomorrow we are collecting as well for donation because the road hectic. Using me and everything. So you have she named Faith from the UK, so she one known as Faith from the UK. She deposited £550 in my account. Yeah, which is come to 91,000. See them show up on the phone. See the receipt and everything. It's in the bank.
Okay. Come on, 91.
You see it here, 550.
Yeah, 550.
Yeah, so it's Faith from the UK.
Oh,
So-
Faith from the UK.
Yeah.
Many thanks and blessing, man. You see, many respect for it because it has help right now to buy the material and stuff. So,
Yeah.
really appreciate it a lot. See me?
Yeah, so she said that
Enough
people go
love.
towards like the materials and the bed and then we put in there, so anything we needed, we must use it towards that. Yeah, so that's in the bank for you. And you have Roxanne.
Yeah.
You have Roxanne from the UK.
Yeah.
She sent 17,000 as well too for you.
Okay.
Yeah, count them. Yeah. So you have
Roxanne, right?
yeah, Roxanne.
Yeah, Roxanne, many thanks and blessings, man.
Yeah.
You see me? Enough love.
Yeah.
Really respect it, you see me? I appreciate it a lot. Give thanks. Yeah.
We have $10,000
Yeah.
from Touch a White Promotion,
Yeah.
P&L family from out of the UK.
Oh.
Touch a White Promotion from out of the UK. I don't know P&L family that.
PLN family.
Yeah, Touch a White Promotion.
Touch a White Promotion.
Yeah,
Alright, many respect and give thanks family, see?
out of the
Yeah, my whole
UK.
a blessing my family out of the UK.
London
Many
itself.
thanks. You see me, my boss.
Big up on yourself, Touch a
Yeah,
White.
man. Touch a-
P&L, big up on
Yeah.
yourself. And everything go.
Alright.
And you have Patrick from Canada.
Yeah.
Patrick from Canada, $10,000.
Yeah.
Check it.
Patrick from Canada.
Yeah.
Alright, Patrick from Canada. Many thanks and many blessings my family. Many respect. Give thanks for it, you see me?
Yeah,
Yeah man, many thanks.
definitely. And we also have a donation. This one is anonymous.
Anonymous.
Yeah, from the UK. They want to keep it anonymous.
Oh,
This is a $100,000
yeah.
from the UK. And keep it anonymous. So you can count it. You can count 50-50 and put it down then. Turn next year, it's better for you.
But it's me not for that, no.
For me? Yeah, I think different thing, I know that the boss of it and all them things, I'm a madman, you know. We are like, you know that. Yeah, 100.
100.
Anonymous.
From the United Kingdom.
From United Kingdom.
Yeah, England.
Yeah, man. Anonymous, many thanks and many blessings, family. See? Yeah, man, give thanks a lot and really appreciate it. You see my family? Yeah, man, much love, blessings, you see? Yeah.
So don't know.
Many thanks.
Yeah. So these are the things we put towards the material and everything now.
Yeah.
So you know we are go up at the hardware and getting the material them and everything.
Yeah, for real.
So you know the big day gonna be
so
busy.
So start it out idea.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
So we are going to get some material and come back.
Yeah.
So we have a lot of work to do. So you don't know. We have a big up Faith again.
Well, man,
from the UK
time, man,
for the 91,000.
Yeah,
as well.
And to everyone too.
Everything. Yeah.
Everybody will start it from, you see me I say? Until now.
Yeah.
Big up everybody. Much love and respect, and you see?
And give thanks to
give
the
thanks
Almighty.
to everybody who send out the thing to helping and to like sort out the things. So, yeah, man, really appreciate it a lot. You see me I say?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, make me feel happy, man. Much love to everybody. You see me? Straight.
I have to give thanks to the Almighty, you know.
Every time, man, because whenever Him to the possible. So, many thanks to the Most High, man. And Him run it through everybody for them can do something, you see?
Yeah.
Without feeling strength to the possible. So, yeah, man, much love to everybody, you see?
Yeah.
And give thanks.
Yeah, so you don't know as I say, we got bank, but we can bank for you. And we got to deal with the material again, you see me? So you know, so it's safe and everything.
Yeah.
So we're going to deal with it. We'll take on the road now for your GinGin. Because the rise of GinGin.
The material and idea, you understand?
Yeah.
So,
place,
a good thing, a good look, because we can sort out everything now.
Yeah, I will still have some more donation for collect. As I said, the road is hectic.
No, man,
time against me.
The place kind of full, so.
So we have still have more donation for collect for you, but we got to do everything. As I said, time against me.
Yeah, for real.
So we're going to meet the people them now, because we're supposed to meet them from morning, you see me, but through up and the road up and down. So we'll meet them now and start out the materials. And we'll come back, yes, and I'll come back come check what I'm doing.
Alright, do that then, man, I'm forwarding. So we can swap one.
Yeah, much love.
Yeah.
So as I said now, we'll go up on the road and we'll deal with some materials for you and things.
Okay.
And we have to give thanks again to the Almighty and give thanks to the donor them.
Yeah, for real.
Yeah.
Many blessings, man, to everyone.
Faith, blessings
and
give
thanks, man. You see, rocks on everybody, you see me?
Yeah.
And everyone who do a thing, respect and honor.
Yeah.
You see, many thanks and blessings.
Yeah, because I don't know if Faith she really watch the program and it move or touch her heart, you see me? So she played a part there, you see me? And time to come, she will still play the next part, you see me? And we have people say they want to come and see me. So I still have more donation to collect for you for the road. As I said, the road hectic and some of them don't get back to me yet. So everything will be alright in God's will. Yeah, so you don't know who I'm going to go on the road, get some materials and things and start the ball road. You see what?
I have to get the material, you see?
Yeah.
So when I get it sorted out, the idea now we have to buy them.
Yeah.
Alright then, yeah.
So we'll go for the hardware.
So we can start in the week,
Yeah, so we'll go for the hardware.
Yeah, then I call God and we can
come on.
Let's go to the yard, I'll give you the yard if you like.
Yeah, oh actually, yeah. Mango ripe on tree.
Yeah, man, this man born and know the object. Yes, I got up. Like I saw
we love that and
like we right.
It's a really got to remember born this corner. I'm a stranger.
Yeah.
We are sort of road still, man.
You know, I'm telling you, we have my man to know where I'm going.
You understand what I'm saying?
Food, That's why the money I pack.
Oh, you got it.
True, man.
Park and salt.
Alright.
That's not going away again, bad man. You hear that?
You know why? Because I'm just going. There. How are them boys got?
Is that a thing now?
How we did a jump down. Yeah, that. Come on, next thing, you know, it's nice day, yeah. We don't want to go to England if the man we up down there. The guy don't see what they do. See what they do.
Bring it over, let's go find it. Please, look at that car. That got up.
I do it that way, yeah.
You know.
It's a further date, you know?
Yeah.
You can cancel it and deal with it.
Watch you now. You see life in Jamaica.
You hear that? Kira Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch it now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better day.